Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'll be showing you that how can you clear your Facebook data or your Facebook cache on your iPhone. So this video is quite helpful for you. As I showed you in the previous videos, you have to go on the setting option here on your mobile phone. Like this is the setting. And the second step will be go on the general setting for it. Like this is my general setting here. And in general setting, you will see iPhone storage as an option. So click on that and scroll to the down. You will find your Facebook account here. Like this is, there are several apps in this, like this is Swiggy, Chat, MyGeo, Adobe, Chrome. So if you have Facebook installed in your phone and you're using Facebook application, so you will see that application here. And then suppose this is Facebook, I will have to click on the offload app option here, or also can delete app here. So this is the video all about how can you delete your Facebook data from your iPhone. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again in the next and the best video with all of you.